Good morning, traders. And so I'm in a trade. And what got me in the trade was these equal highs. It kind of broke through the equal highs. And I always look for that retest. So I got that retest and I jumped in. So trying to get my 50 cents. Let's see if the market will give me that. Now, today, the market is pretty strong. The bears are getting squeezed. The market continues to move up. So on the QQQ 1 minute chart, yeah, I'm looking at that 624. I think that's one of those levels where the market's going to reach, and it just might turn once we get there. So my sell order just right beneath the 624. So if it does push up past that, I'll get filled. But let's see if we can get there in a hurry. Don't like to wait. So let's watch this. You know, a lot of times you'll be watching the market and you'll see that you're in the green and you're like, man, I hate to lose any money. And you can pull your stop up to break even or maybe just shortly above that so that you can pay for your commissions. A lot of times the market comes back and it hits that point. Then it goes on to move in the direction that you were looking for. So if I have a 0.25 loss at 0.25 a quarter risk, a lot of times I like to leave it there until the market has really moved up a lot higher. And a lot of times the market will be moving and I'll be watching my P&L and I go, oh, you know what? I'm up pretty good. I could take it right here. And a lot of times I'm saying, no, I want it all. I want every cent. So here, my belief is that we're going to get to the 624. Now, do we get to the 622.44 and hit my stop before we get to the 624? I don't know. I'm hoping not. I'm hoping on this leg, I'm hoping that we move up there to that 624. But the market is very positive today, and you'll see it popping big time. Right? It keeps popping. Somebody's coming in there and buying it to move it up higher. So I'm gonna just keep my stop and my sell order right where it's at. I think those are good. You know, if I'm wrong, then I'll be out of $175. But if I'm right, I'll make $250. And right now, you can tell that I'm more on the right side as long as the market continues to trend up. But I'm watching. Yeah, it's riding that brownish orange line. That's the 14 EMA. See, there you go. That's a nice push. You get that pop like that. Everybody that might have shorted this, they just got stopped out. I just need another push higher. That's good. That's a higher high. Just need a little more momentum. This is where I always think, like, you know what? I could just pull my sell down and just get out at this point. I'm at the 200. But you always think that, okay, yeah, I'm just right there. It just needs to go up a couple of more cents. And then you see it pull back a little bit more. Look at that candle. Look at that wick. That wick tells me that it wants to go higher. Come on. It's anticipation. You're like, come on, we're right there. Almost. Yeah, it's remarkable that the market has recovered like it has. If you had asked me a couple of weeks ago, I would have said that, you know, the market, the market has a little more ways down to go before we make this big move up to make new highs. But as soon as the market figured out what Trump was doing, yeah, the market's pulling back now. They figured out what he was doing, and man, that market took off. That big day, we still got that real big gap below us, right? The big day when the market was up real high. Yeah, see how it's still just riding the 14 EMA? I say that and we start to poop beneath it. It ain't over till it's over. I'm still looking for that 624. There you go. Come on. Let's get a good pop. Oh, there you go. That's amazing. Yep. Target. It's amazing how one candle can make you feel so much better. But that was a good pop. We're right at the 624. I just want to see what this does right here. If we get continuation or does it turn around?